Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Golf TL. 1.6tdi M5F 5-door 115 HP in striking red. This estate vehicle is perfect for those seeking comfort, convenience and safety on the road. With features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're in good hands. The interior boasts luxury trim, boot light and cup holders for added convenience. Security is top-notch with ABS, centralized locking and collision alert. And the roof rails add a stylish touch to the exterior. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information.